So hi everyone, in this video we will going to learn to use the LDD command on Linux. Okay. So first of all, what is LDD? Okay, so LDD stands for least dynamic dependencies. So this command in Linux used for getting the information about the missing or mismatch libraries. Okay, so what are the libraries for? So what are the libraries? Libraries are the packages using which uh, a command can be run on a system. Okay, so executable is consist of any shell script for a command. Okay, so that's how we will going to use the LDD command. So let's try with the first example. LDD, we know that all the commands are stored inside this bin directory. Okay, so we will use to get the libraries for ls command. Okay, ls for listing the files we use it. Okay, so for this we will see that what are the libraries that those are responsible to execute this command. Okay, so for ls we can clearly see that these are the libraries. Okay, those are helping the system to execute this ls command. Okay, so you can see it. So here you can see these are there are three columns inside it, right? So this which I am highlighting is first column, and we can call it as library name. Okay, so the name of the library will be shown on this. Okay, in this column, so you can see it, right? So after this we can see the next column. Okay, so this is the path of the library. Okay, inside our Linux system. So this will show you the path on which the library is present, right? So you can see and cross check whether the libraries are there or not. In case the libraries were missing, okay, so we won't able to execute the or run the command. Okay, so in that case you have to manually install the libraries, and then your command will be runnable thereon. Okay, and the final column which is the memory address. Okay, so these are the memory address, you can see it, right? These are the memory address. So this is how we can use the LDD command, right? So this is for ls command. Now let's see about the say host name. Okay, host name. So after executing this we are getting this, right? So these are the libraries, right? These are the libraries, and this is the path of the library where the library is stored, right? And after it, this is the memory address. So this way guys we can use the LDD command, right? So after this let we find the executable for the find command. So these are the executable libraries for the file command, you can see it, right? Library name, library file path, right? And then memory address. So this way guys we can use the command LDD executable, right? So executable